Bennett's wallabies are the biggest of the wallabies we have in New Zealand. Big male can weigh up to about 25 kilograms.
They are becoming a problem here. Yeah, as you can see, it's not the easiest country to farm in. All the blades of grass that we've got need to go towards sheep.
They will graze all the native species, vegetation species, as well as the regenerating species. So stopping that wave of destruction is the objective.
Bennett's wallaby are not great at jumping height. Part of the containment line relies on an old rabbit fence that runs from Lake Tekapo downstream to Lake Benmore. Under the program, we're replacing that with a Waratah wallaby exclusion fence.
Using the integrated pest management strategy is the best way we can probably tackle this, using tools such as the latest thermal drone technology, helicopters, on the ground thermals, as well as hunters, not just going out hunting for a wallaby, but hunting down the last wallaby.